Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today we are going to read our chapter number 7, that's name is The Famous Blazer. So let's start our today's class. Students, this is the chapter about Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So children, do you know that Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India? Who was the first president? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. He was known as a national leader before India became independent because he participated in the Quiet India movement against the British rulers. Rajendra Prasad served as a president for 12 years for our country. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1962. It's a great honor for a citizen of India. Prasad's life teaches us the value of simplicity. Okay, it's enough now. Let's restart reading the lesson. So watch the video carefully. Okay. Okay students, now let's read our chapter number 7, The Famous Blazer. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. As I told you earlier in the video that Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. So who was the first president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. He was a man of great intelligence. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the man of great intelligence. Here, intelligence means the person who has the ability to learn, understand, and put the knowledge into practice. So, he means Dr. Rajendra Prasad had these qualities. But he led a simple life, Still, Rajendra Prasad led a simple life. He paid little attention to his appearance and was shy in nature. Students, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, he did not care that how he is looking. So he paid the little attention to his appearance, but he was shy in nature. He was dark and skinny with a thick mustache. He was dark in color and was very thin. And you can see here he had mustache on his face. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was well known as a national leader much before India became independent. You know that Dr. Rajendra Prasad was well known as a national leader. Because Dr. Rajendra Prasad took the part of Indian independence struggle. So, he was known as a national leader much before India became independent. Once, he had to travel by train to a remote town. Once, Dr. Rajendra Prasad had to travel by train to a far away town. Here, the remote means the town that is far away from that place where he is living. Okay, it was 8 o'clock in the night when he got off at the station. He was wearing a cotton dhoti, kurta, and a Gandhi cap. In this dress, he looked like an ordinary blazer. You know, when he got off at the station, what was the time? It was 8 o'clock, and what he was wearing? He was wearing cotton dhoti. You can see here cotton dhoti, kurta, and a Gandhi cap. In this dress, he looked like an ordinary blazer. You can see here he is looking like an ordinary blazer. Okay. The platform was deserted. Here, the meaning of deserted is without people. You know, there is no one on the platform. Dr. Prasad, I have paused. Dr. Prasad lost his rolled quilt in the crook of his arm and walked to the station master's office. You know, we are here, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and walked to the station master's office. So, he saw that there was no people on the platform. So, Dr. Rajendra Prasad lost his quilt. You know, fixed and rolled the quilt. Quilt means here a thick and warm bed covering. Okay. You can see in this picture that he was this is the quilt, and he rolled it and crook of his arm, and he crook it in his arm and walked to the station master's office. With great politeness, he asked the station master, "Could I make a telephone call? It's an important matter." When he reached into the station master's office, who reached? Dr. Rajendra Prasad reached into the station master's office. He asked with great politeness that could he make a telephone call, and he also said that it's an important call, an important matter. The station master gazed at him for a while. Here, the meaning of gaze is looked steadily. You know, as you know that Dr. Rajendra Prasad was looking as an ordinary blazer. So the station master gazed at him for a while, and he thought the man in front of him was a mere blazer. So the station master thought that the man in front of him was a mere blazer. Want to make a call? Who do you think you are? The station master said to Rajendra Prasad, want to make a call? Who do you think you are? Dr. Prasad wanted to introduce himself. Rajendra Prasad, Congress. When he said that it's an important matter and Dr. Rajendra Prasad want to make a telephone call. The station master gazed at him for a while and he thought that he was a mere villager. So he said to Rajendra Prasad that who are you? Dr. Prasad wanted to introduce himself. Rajendra Prasad, Congress. Before he couldn't finish. It means he couldn't finish. The station master interrupted. Here, the meaning of interrupted is to stop someone when he was speaking. Okay, so the station master interrupted Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He said, No, Rajendra Prasad is not going to be here tonight. He said to Dr. Rajendra Prasad that Rajendra Prasad is not going to be here tonight. You may go now. And he ordered him that you may go now. He did not allow Dr. Prasad to make his call. And the station master didn't allow Dr. Prasad to make his call. Dr. Prasad was so shy that he could not tell the station master that he was speaking to Rajendra Prasad himself. Dr. Rajendra Prasad couldn't tell the station master that he was Rajendra Prasad himself. The man that is in front of station master was Rajendra Prasad himself. He couldn't tell this thing to the station master. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was one of the main leaders of the Indian independence. Students, that Dr. Rajendra Prasad was one of the main leaders of Indian independence struggle. In 1942, he participated in the Quit India movement against the British rulers of our country. In 1942, Dr. Rajendra Prasad participated in the Quit India movement against the British rulers of our country. The British arrested him and put him in the prison for 3 years. So, the Dr. Rajendra Prasad was in the prison for 3 years. While in jail, he wrote his autobiography. This was 900 pages long. An autobiography is the story of a person's life that is written by the person himself. So, Dr. Rajendra Prasad wrote his autobiography that was 900 pages long. India got freedom from the British in 1947. When India got freedom from the British in 1947. On 26th January 1950, Dr. Prasad became the first president of the country. Dr. Rajendra Prasad became the first president of India on 26 January 1950. He served as president for 12 years. Dr. Rajendra Prasad served our country as a president for 12 years. He was awarded Bharat Ratna, India's highest honor, in 1962. In 1962, Rajendra Prasad was awarded Bharat Ratna. It is the award that India's highest honor. It is the award of India's highest honor, and Dr. Rajendra Prasad got this award in 1962. His life teaches us the value of simplicity. Dr. Rajendra Prasad's life teaches us the value of simplicity. You know, he was the great man, and he has the ability, he has the great intelligence, even he lives a simple life. So, his life teaches us the value of simplicity. Okay, hope you understood the chapter. Thank you. The moral of the lesson is, we should not judge any person by seeing his or her outer appearance. Okay, I hope now you have understood. Thank you for watching the video.